Hey guys, today I'll show you how to grow your Discord server for free. Let's move on. For this, we will be using a website called Disboard. The first thing to do is to go to your browser and search disboard.org. After you are on the website, click this button and log in with your account. Then, click on your profile icon and select your servers. After that, click on Add New Server. Here, you have to select the server. Then, go over here and select the main language of the server. Below that, you can select the category of your server. Here, you have to enter your tags. Your server will rank for these search terms on Disboard. Make sure to add tags that many people search for. Your tags should give people an idea of what your server is about. Before we move on, if this video is being helpful to you, it would be great if you could click the like button down below. Thanks a lot. Now let's move on. So, down here, you have to enter your server description. Since I already have this typed out, I will copy and paste it here. The description should include what the server is about and why people should join. Now scroll down and click on Guidelines. Make sure that your server is following all these rules. Then, click on Save. Here you have to select Continue. Go back to your server and make sure the bot is added. Then run this / command and select the invite channel. Type /page to view your server page. Now, you have to bump the server. I'm going to create a channel called Bump, but doing this is not compulsory. Then, run /bump to put your server to the top of the list on Disboard. You'll have to run this command every 2 hours. Wait to see if this actually worked. If you do this regularly, you will start to gain some members. I will do a video on other ways to grow your Discord server in the future. So, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notified when it's uploaded. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Bye!